Hi everyone, this is Jesse with Hefestus USA, coming at you today with another quick how-to video. Let's walk up, see what she's producing today. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful product. Beautiful fold, good pack all the way through. You know what, you might be asking yourself, how do I save this so that my employees can recreate this exact thing with this same strain and comb? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's go ahead and check it out. First things first, let's hit our stop button. Okay, now that she's stopped, we can swap her to the operations menu, which is a selector right in the middle. This screen will pop up. Now, recipes give you the ability to offer that consistency with your product, because success cannot be achieved with anything without consistency. So this gives you a good opportunity to save a recipe. So we'll click on, I don't know if you guys saw where I clicked on, but small icon here, and go ahead and click the button right underneath it. What we have here is our recipe menu. Now you can load or store them. I like this recipe so much, I'm going to go ahead, say number 2, we're going to clear that. And I want to save this as, well, we'll call it good joint. All right, so we store it, store. All right. Our name has been saved there. Now we can go back to our previous program. Let's say 1 load. All right, we're back to our last setting. You can save about 10 different recipes on this menu, but it lets you recreate that same thing over and over. Once you're done or you selected the recipe you want, we can go back to home. We can go straight over to our auto. And she's ready to run that recipe all over again. All right. Man, still providing that amazing product. Look at that. That's ready to go in a tube straight to your client. All right, guys. This was a quick how-to video on how to load and save recipes. Thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day.